Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. In one of my older videos, I showed how to create a seamless pattern manually using Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. Even though that video was only around 4 minutes long, the actual process took much longer because several parts had to be fast forwarded. But today I have something much faster to show you. With just a simple text command or prompt, you can generate seamless patterns in seconds using a tool called PatternedAI. PatternedAI is also sponsoring this video, which means I get to properly explore the platform and show you how it can fit into a real design workflow. Let's dive right in. Search for PatternedAI and open patterned.ai or use the link in the description below. Next, click Login or Sign Up and continue using your Google account. Once you're signed in, click Start Designing. To create a pattern from a prompt, click Create Now, then select Generate Pattern from Text Description. I have already prepared a few pattern descriptions based on the kind of designs I want to create. So I'll simply copy and paste one here. For playing around, you can also click New Random Prompt to generate a random pattern description. Here, you can select the style of your pattern. For this one, I'll keep it set to None. You can also increase or decrease the number of output patterns and see how many credits the generation will use. Now click the orange Generate Patterns button and wait a few seconds. And there we go, 2 seamless patterns generated from our text description. I like this one, so let's click on it. In this preview window, you can see how the pattern looks on different products and surfaces. You can also zoom in or out to adjust the scale. As you can see, the repeat is already seamless. So there is no need for additional manual editing to fix the edges. Let's try another prompt. For this one, I want a line art style, so I'll select that before generating. Now click Generate. Both results look really good, and the style is what I was aiming for. You may also notice the private mode toggle here. When private mode is turned off, your generated patterns may appear in the public gallery and can be viewed by other users. Private mode is available with a Pro subscription. And here is something useful if you decide to upgrade. You can use my coupon code GRAPHICS during checkout to receive 10% off your subscription. The discount works with both the standard and business plan. Now let's return to the pattern creation workflow. Apart from generating patterns from text, PatternedAI can also create seamless patterns from an existing image. Select from image. Upload your image. Crop the area you want to use. And click Use this image. Then click Generate Pattern. As you can see, PatternedAI extracts the visual elements from the image and converts them into seamless repeat patterns. Let's try another image. I'll crop the section I want. Click Use this image and generate the pattern. In the first result, you can see a few weird shapes. This happened because the crop was not perfectly clean. The second pattern looks much better. But the unwanted areas in the first result can still be fixed directly inside PatternedAI. Let me show you how. First, click on the pattern. You'll see an Edit option. Click on it. This opens the pattern editor. Move the selection box over the area you want to change. Then describe the correction you want in the prompt field. Now click Generate. As you can see, the unwanted shapes have been removed while the pattern remains seamless. Under the editing tools, you'll also find the Recolor option. Let's use it to create a new color variation of this pattern. Instead of using auto, I'll select palette. You can choose from the existing color palettes or quickly create and save your own custom palette. I'll create one, save it, and select it. Now click Generate to recolor the pattern. This result is much closer to the color scheme I wanted. PatternedAI also includes other editing tools. So if you want a separate video covering the advanced edit, recolor and restyle features in more detail, like this video and let me know in the comments. Finally, you can also create seamless patterns from separate elements such as transparent PNGs, clip art, text and AI-generated graphics. Select from elements. From here, you can add text or images, and you can also use AI to generate individual elements when needed. Each element can be moved, resized, rotated, and arranged freely. You can then change the background color, adjust the pattern layout, and download the final result. And that is how you can create seamless patterns from text, images, and individual design elements using PatternedAI. The link to PatternedAI, along with my graphics coupon code for 10% off, is available in the description. Which feature would you use the most? Text to pattern, image to pattern, recoloring, or element-based pattern creation? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, leave a like, subscribe for more graphic design tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.